So once you've learned how to import media into Camtasia, this is how your screen will be after importing your media. This is your imported media, and you can choose to have a different view over your media bin. Click on this arrow over here. If you have got, this is the default one, and if you have got less number of videos, you can choose to keep this, but then you'll have to scroll down to see every video. If you have got more, this is the default view. If you have got even more videos, you can choose to keep this or this. And if you prefer keeping names, which I don't think is a great idea, I'd prefer going with this. Now let's say by the thumbnail you can't make out what is each video. You can just double click on each video and preview this. This is your frame rate. This is your timeline. Track 1, track 2. This is the cutting tool. This is the copy tool. This is the paste tool. This is the split tool, and the screenshot of the exported frame. Undo, redo. You can also do this with your keyboard by pressing S to split, Ctrl V, Ctrl C. This is for Windows. Now let me pull this down to the timeline. You should just check if it is scaled properly. Yes, it is. Now if I scroll in with my mouse, this is what I can do. I can zoom in on the preview window. But let's say I want to fill this entire part over here. I click on media, so I eliminate this, and then I click on fit. So you get a bigger preview window, and you can also choose to detach canvas and then maximize the screen. You can zoom in and zoom out on your timeline. Let's say you want to make a really small edit over here. You make a cut of about 10 frames. You can zoom out, see everything. About the project settings, you click on this, project settings, see the height, width, color and frame rate. You can choose this to 30 or 25 for normal videos, 50 for high quality and slow motion videos, and 60 is what I recommend if you are gaming. If you make gaming videos, that's where 60 is used. Otherwise 30 and 25 are good for normal videos. Black is the default color of your canvas, and you can choose any of these presets. Let's say you want to make a Instagram reel. Apply. This is a 1x1. It's 640 by 640 pixels. You want a 720p HD, but then you will have to reduce the size of your video. This will also reduce the quality of your video. Or you could go with 1080p or 4K Ultra HD. This will increase your video quality significantly, but it will also take a load on your PC. Sometimes you can go with custom and then change these numbers as per your wish. Now that's my custom resolution. I don't want to use that, so I'll just keep it at 1080p HD and apply, and then scale the video. At last, fit to screen. So that's the basics of Camtasia.